Hi, my name is Debbie with YachtWay. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to apply for financing with YachtWay's EasyFund. Applying for yacht financing is a big decision, and you want great rates, clear terms, and a secure place to submit your information. EasyFund is designed to make the entire process simple and safe from start to finish. Everything begins with pre-qualification. You start your application on YachtWay.com in a couple of different ways. If you've already found your perfect vessel on YachtWay, open the listing, choose your down payment and then term, and then tap Apply Now. If the vessel is not listed on YachtWay, tap Financing in the upper menu. Enter the vessel price, your down payment, the loan term, and the interest rate you are targeting. You will instantly see your estimated monthly payment. Then tap Apply Now and enter the vessel make, model, year, and engine information. Next, add your residence information and your gross monthly income. Then your name and email and phone number. Click Continue and you will receive a fast response letting you know if you are pre-qualified. Once you are pre-qualified, you are ready to complete the full application. It only takes a few more steps. Start by choosing whether you are applying individually or with a co-borrower. In this example, we'll choose individual. Your address from the pre-qualification step is already filled in. Add the date you started living there. Financial institutions require 2 years of address history, so if you have lived there for less than 2 years, you can add your previous address right below. Fill in whether you own or rent your residence and your housing payment, and click Next. This will take you to your personal information, including date of birth and social security number. Next is your employment status. Choose the option that fits your situation and complete the fields. If you ever need help, tap the Support Chat button in the lower right corner at any time. If you have any additional income sources, such as rental income or other recurring income, you can add as many as you want in the next step. You will then reach the final review page. All of your information is shown here, and you can make any adjustments before continuing. After that, you will be prompted to upload your tax returns and any other required documents. If you do not have the documents ready, you can always return and upload them later. Your privacy and data security are extremely important throughout this process. YachtWay follows GDPR standards, meets SOC 2 requirements, and uses encrypted storage for all sensitive information. Your documents are never shared outside the financing process, and once your loan is finalized, your uploaded files are removed from our system. You can view our security and compliance status anytime at trust.yachtway.com. Please remember not to send private information such as social security numbers, ID, bank statements, or tax returns through email. Always use the secure uploader inside your EasyFund dashboard. Thank you for watching the YachtWay EasyFund application walkthrough. Happy applying and happy boating. We look forward to helping you secure financing for your perfect yacht with EasyFund.